Have you seen these AI videos coming from a Facebook account called Heart of UK?
This country is a joke now. You work all week and still can't afford to live properly.
I was born in this town, I worked here my whole life, and now I watch boats coming in while I'm forgotten.
Charity begins at home. If you think Britain needs to look after its own people first, share this right now.
It's an account using AI to make fake interviews of British people on the streets. You might think, I wouldn't fall for that, but they've got over 100,000 followers, they're pumping out 3 posts a day, and they're reaching hundreds of thousands of our loved ones and neighbours, with messaging tapping into their deepest insecurities. Here's the thing, this account isn't even from the UK. It's based in Sri Lanka, and until last year it was called Bhojpuri Vines. They're not even hiding it. The YouTube account linked with this page is a kids gaming account with only 1 video.
एक बार मोर अपने सुंदर पंख फैला
Of a peacock speaking Hindi. You might think this is a laugh, but it's not, because people are falling for it. This is a page run by bots out of Sri Lanka looking to divide our country, influence our elections, and drive support for Nigel Farage. So next time you're having an argument with someone over something they've seen on Facebook, send them this video and tell them you can't always believe everything you see online.